In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change text direction in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you want to rotate text vertically, flip it for a design effect, or simply adjust the layout of your slide, PowerPoint makes it very easy once you know where to look. This is especially useful when you're designing creative presentations, posters, infographics, or title slides. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the extra formatting options that give you even more control. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is select the text that you want to change. You can either click inside an existing text box or select the entire text box itself. If you only want to rotate specific words or a sentence, highlight just that portion of the text. If you want to rotate everything inside the box, simply click on the border of the text box so the whole object is selected. Once your text is selected, go up to the top menu and click on the Home tab. The Home tab contains most of the basic formatting tools you'll use in PowerPoint, including font settings, alignment options, and paragraph controls. This is where you'll find the text direction feature. Inside the Home tab, look for the paragraph group. In that section, you'll see an option labeled Text Direction. Click on Text Direction and a drop-down menu will appear with different orientation options. You'll typically see options such as horizontal, rotate all text 90 degrees, and rotate all text 270 degrees. If you choose horizontal, your text will remain in the standard left to right format. If you select rotate all text 90 degrees, the text will turn vertically so it reads from bottom to top. If you choose rotate all text 270 degrees, the text will rotate in the opposite direction, reading from top to bottom. Simply click on the option you prefer and the change will apply instantly to your selected text. This feature is extremely helpful when you're designing side labels, vertical headings, comparison charts, or creative slide layouts. You can experiment with each option to see which one fits your design best. And remember, you can always switch back to horizontal if you change your mind. Now, if you need even more control over how your text appears, there's an additional step you can take. Instead of just using the basic text direction dropdown, you can open the Format Shape pane for advanced settings. To do this, right-click on your selected text box and choose Format Shape from the menu. A panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen. In the Format Shape pane, click on Text Options and then look for the text box settings. Here, you'll find more precise text direction controls and alignment options. You can adjust text alignment, control how the text fits inside the box, and fine-tune the orientation to better match your slide design. This advanced panel is especially useful if you're working with complex layouts or need professional-level formatting. It gives you more flexibility beyond the basic rotation presets. And that's it. That's how you change text direction in PowerPoint quickly and easily. Select your text, go to the Home tab, click on Text Direction in the paragraph group, choose the orientation you need, and use the Format Shape pane if you want more detailed customization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.